Are you ready to unlock the secrets to building strength as a man over 40? Prepare to be amazed by the 2-2-2 training method, a game changer for those seeking a powerful and efficient workout routine. The 2-2-2 method, a revolutionary approach to strength training. In our youth, we might have pushed our bodies to the limit with intense, high-volume workouts, but as we age, our bodies require a different strategy. It's time to embrace a more minimalist approach, and the 2-2-2 method, backed by science, promises incredible results. What's the 2-2-2 method all about? Coach Alain Gonzalez introduces this method as a minimalist, research-backed approach that cuts through the noise and focuses on what truly drives muscle growth. Here's the breakdown: 2 workouts a week. Each week, you'll engage in 2 full-body workouts, performed on non-consecutive days to ensure adequate rest. This spacing allows for complete muscular and neural recovery while maximizing muscle gains. 2 working sets per exercise. Each exercise involves 2 intense sets taken close to failure. This approach ensures that every rep counts, delivering significant mechanical tension and triggering substantial muscle growth. The workout structure. Each workout in the 2-2-2 method targets the entire body using compound movements that engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Here's a breakdown of the exercises. Squat pattern targets quads and glutes. Hinge pattern works the posterior chain. Push exercise engages chest, shoulders, and triceps. Targets back and biceps. Gonzalez emphasizes the importance of alternating the emphasis within each movement pattern to ensure a well-rounded workout. The benefits: unlocking strength and recovery muscle growth with minimal volume. The 2-2-2 method focuses on effective volume, emphasizing high-quality reps close to failure. This approach triggers adaptation and muscle growth without excessive volume. Proven results with low sets. A recent study compared 2 groups of trained lifters performing just 1 set per exercise, twice a week. Both groups made significant gains in muscle size, strength, and endurance, proving that even a single set can produce meaningful results when the effort is high. Superior recovery and reduced fatigue. The 2 workout structure allows for full recovery, ensuring you train at peak capacity each session. This approach maximizes your gains and reduces fatigue. Joint-friendly and longevity-focused. Joints recover more slowly than muscles, and this method respects that. By reducing volume and allowing for adequate recovery, the 2-2-2 method ensures joint health and longevity in your training journey. Higher motivation. With only 2 sets per exercise, every rep matters. This limited window creates a focused and urgent mindset, keeping motivation high throughout your training journey. The 2-2-2 method is a powerful tool for men over 40 seeking to build strength efficiently. It's time to embrace a new approach and unlock your full potential. But here's the controversial part. Are you ready to challenge traditional high-volume training and embrace a more minimalist path? The choice is yours. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's spark a discussion.